Hi everybody, Steve Degnan, advisor, board member, and former chief HR officer. Today's quick take is part 3 of handling bad supervisors. In part 1, we talked about aligning leadership on what we expect from our supervisors. In part 2, we talked about how to actually get into fixing the difficult problem of bad supervisors. And today we're going to talk about putting in a system that sustains great supervisors and frontline leaders. We'll start with the first point, which is making sure we have published and communicated principles and values and expectations for all of our leaders, but let alone the frontline leaders in your organization. All through the chain of command, it's got to be built in to your company communications, organizational materials about what we expect from our leaders and how we expect them to set the proper example. Number 2, you need an ongoing training program that addresses supervision. It can't be just a one-time or a series of events. It has to be an all-the-time approach on training our leaders. That means a constant stream of classes, micro-learning, and reading that people can tap into. We want to train them not only to do the training, but we want to train them how to be students of leadership, that they're always seeking the next thing. There are a ton of materials and trainings out there, lots of companies that provide this stuff. You can partner with local colleges and universities. The point is you have to start doing it and make it an all-the-time thing. If you do that, it'll be very preventative about future problems and issues. Next, we need to make sure that our internal practices, especially hiring and promotion, include screening for leadership capability. Oftentimes there's a very old mistake that's still made where we take the most technically proficient person in any function and make them the leader. And that doesn't work out so great. You got to have both technical proficiency and leadership capability, and you've got to build that into your systems. Then finally, leadership must model the desired supervisor behavior that they're looking for. So you can't expect to be going around acting like boneheads at the upper levels of the organization and expect your frontline leaders to act differently. They're going to imitate you, whoever you are and whatever you're doing. Last comment I'll make on all of this is bad supervisors are tolerated. Great supervisors are built, they're cultivated, they're developed. You have to keep that as a mentality going forward. Hope this was helpful. Please keep sending me your ideas for future topics. I very much appreciate it. And I appreciated this one, and you know who you are who sent it to me. Have a great one.